Meta's smart glasses are exploding in popularity, and so are the apps built to catch them secretly recording you. Meta's AI glasses have become the hottest wearable of the year, with millions sold since launch. But that surge has ignited a fresh privacy panic, because these glasses can secretly record video and audio without any obvious signal to bystanders. Enter Zuckoff, a new free app that scans nearby Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signatures to alert you when Meta glasses are active nearby. Ars Technica's investigation found Zuckoff isn't foolproof. It can only detect glasses actively streaming or recording, missing devices in stealth mode, or using encrypted connections. Critics argue Meta should build in a hardware light or louder audible cue instead of relying on third-party workarounds. Privacy advocates warn this cat-and-mouse game will only intensify as more companies launch similar smart glasses. This matters because wearable cameras are becoming invisible in public spaces, from coffee shops to gyms to changing rooms. Lawmakers in several states are now drafting bills requiring visible recording indicators on smart glasses. Meta insists its devices already have a small LED light, but reviewers say it's barely noticeable in daylight or from certain angles. The backlash shows no signs of slowing down, so expect more detection apps, more state regulations, and more public pressure on Meta to redesign these devices entirely. The bigger question is whether any technical fix can outpace a hardware category built specifically to blend in. For now, if you're worried about being recorded, downloading an app like Zuckoff is your best defense, even if it's an imperfect one. Next up, the data center race is literally leaving Earth. StarCloud just raised $250 million to build data centers in orbit. The startup argues that space offers unlimited solar power and free cooling from the vacuum, solving two of the biggest bottlenecks facing AI infrastructure here on the ground. But there's a catch. Launch capacity is drying up fast. With SpaceX, Blue Origin, and government missions all competing for limited rocket slots, getting hardware into orbit is becoming a genuine bottleneck. Analysts say we're about to see a serious fight over launch windows as multiple companies race to put computing power in space. StarCloud isn't alone either, with Google and other tech giants exploring similar orbital infrastructure concepts. If this works, it could reshape how we think about AI infrastructure entirely, moving massive compute clusters away from power-hungry terrestrial grids. But there are still huge unanswered questions about maintenance, radiation damage, and how you actually cool servers efficiently in orbit long-term. Investors are betting big that these problems get solved within the next few years. Meanwhile, back on Earth, the battle for enterprise AI dollars is heating up between OpenAI and Anthropic. New data shows OpenAI is closing the gap with business customers, a segment Anthropic has dominated with its Claude models for coding and enterprise tasks. Companies are apparently willing to switch providers quickly whenever a competitor ships a stronger model. This volatility should worry investors in both companies, because it suggests enterprise AI spending isn't nearly as sticky as subscription software traditionally has been. If a business will flip its entire AI stack because a new model dropped last month, that's a fundamentally different customer relationship than a typical software contract. Loyalty in this market seems to last only until the next model release. For now, OpenAI's gains suggest its recent model releases are resonating with corporate buyers who prioritize raw capability over brand loyalty. Anthropic still holds strong ground in coding-specific use cases, but the overall enterprise market looks increasingly like a knife fight where nobody has a durable moat. Expect both companies to keep shipping faster just to hold on to market share. Speaking of new AI features, ChatGPT can now send text messages for you. OpenAI just launched a plugin for Apple Messages that lets ChatGPT draft and send texts on your behalf, right from your iPhone's native messaging app. It's designed for people who want quick replies handled automatically without switching between apps constantly. The integration works by letting users ask ChatGPT to compose a message, review it, and then fire it off directly through iMessage. Early reviewers say it's useful for repetitive replies, quick scheduling, or drafting awkward messages you're avoiding writing yourself. But it also raises questions about authenticity, since recipients have no way of knowing whether a human or an AI actually wrote what they received. This is part of a broader push by OpenAI to embed ChatGPT directly into everyday communication tools. rather than keeping it confined to a separate chat window. Expect similar integrations with email and other messaging platforms soon. The bigger cultural question is whether we're comfortable letting AI increasingly speak for us in our personal relationships. Now here's a fascinating ethical puzzle. When AI designs a drug, who actually gets the credit? Biotech company In Silico Medicine used generative AI to propose a promising treatment for pulmonary fibrosis and proudly announced the molecule was, quote, discovered by its AI platform. That claim is now sparking real debate across the pharmaceutical industry. In Silico leads a growing pack of companies using AI to rapidly generate drug candidates that human chemists might never have considered. These systems can screen millions of molecular combinations in days rather than the years traditional drug discovery usually requires. But patent law and scientific credit were built entirely around human inventorship, creating a legal gray zone nobody has fully resolved yet. If courts eventually rule that AI-generated molecules can't be patented under existing law, it could seriously undermine investment in this entire sector. Some researchers argue the human scientists who designed the AI system and validated results still deserve primary credit. Others say we need entirely new legal frameworks for an era where machines genuinely contribute novel scientific discoveries. Meanwhile, Google is trying to help publishers survive the AI search apocalypse. The company just launched a new preferred sources feature, letting readers click a button to boost specific outlets across Search, Discover, and Google News. It's a direct response to publishers complaining that AI-generated search summaries are gutting their referral traffic. The idea is simple. If enough readers mark an outlet as preferred, that publishers' content should appear more prominently in that reader's personalized results. Publishers have been sounding alarms for over a year now, since AI overviews often answer questions directly without sending users to the original source. Whether this new button meaningfully reverses declining traffic remains a genuinely open question. Critics point out that this puts the burden on individual readers to manually boost outlets, rather than Google fundamentally changing how its AI summaries work. Still, it's a notable acknowledgement from Google that the traffic crisis facing journalism is real and worsening. Expect more experiments like this as the tension between AI search and the open web continues escalating. Finally, some of YouTube's biggest creators are facing serious backlash for taking AI money. Filmmakers Matti Haapoja and Sam Calder recently posted videos showcasing Higgsfield's new Cedence AI video tool, pitching it as the future of filmmaking. Their audiences didn't react kindly, accusing them of selling out an industry built on human craft and creativity. Comment sections exploded with criticism, with many longtime fans arguing these creators built their reputations showcasing genuine filmmaking skill, not AI-generated shortcuts. Some viewers accused the creators of prioritizing sponsorship checks over honesty about AI's current creative limitations. This tension reflects a much bigger anxiety spreading across creative industries, where AI adoption increasingly feels like a betrayal to core audiences. This controversy highlights a real dilemma facing influencers everywhere. Lucrative AI sponsorship deals are hard to turn down, but audiences are growing increasingly skeptical of anything AI adjacent in creative fields. Expect more creators to face similar backlash as AI video tools keep improving, and sponsorship dollars keep flowing toward early adopters willing to promote them. So here's my question for you. Are smart glasses worth the privacy trade-off, or has this technology gone too far too fast? Drop your take in the comments below. And if you want twice-weekly deep dives into stories exactly like these, hit subscribe so you never miss what's coming next.